In this dream, I just witnessed this. And although it was nasty, I had no fear in the dream over that, but I saw everything around the world. The impact and the winds. Winds were very fast. I saw the sea. Massive earthquake. I saw some picture of a Richter scale, and it was like, and it was like the highest it had ever been, like a 12 something or another around the world. The whole world felt it. The whole world saw it. Everybody knew about it. It was absolutely awful. But in the dream, it wasn't the impact that was the focus. It was the after bit. All I have to say, it's a very simple sentence. Nothing was the same.